think it's finally safe to come out now. Looks like they've already eaten another bird. This was wine. Oh, good year. What's over here? That was disgusting. All right, what's this? Water. Yeah. What the heck is that?
Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes?
Yeah.
What a... Oh! Whoa, sorry about that.
That's okay.
That would be alcohol abuse.
Yeah, we can do it.
Oh, thank you very much.
No.
Oh, okay, that's fine. That's really good.
Please don't, ma'am.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, go away.
No, you can.
All right, what is this? Oh my God, Uncle Harry! Oh, the humanity! Oh! All right, what's this? Over here. It's like, no, go and retaste these rolls. No. All right, so anyway, so we found out that Uncle Harry is dead, and yeah.
You want to see my fish?
No.
Why?
He'll eat them.
Because I'm filming.
Well, I can't touch your hair.
Ah, don't touch the hair. I spent all day working on this hair. Oh.
I can't touch your hair. Okay. You can wake up now.
You're done?
Yep. Your hair looks silly.
It looks silly?
Yeah.
Your hair looks silly.
Well, I'm going to make a cool hair.
You'll make cool hair? I can help you make cool hair.
Well, I do it all by myself. Look.
Want me to help you make cool hair?
No.
Come on, let me help you make cool hair.
Okay.
Oh!
Okay.
Well, there's cool hair 101. All right, now let's go back to the,
Okay, the cube.
What is this precious fluid? This would be the Wine and Tequila.
Wait.
From Cozumel.
Wait.
But I can't.
Wait.
Sadly, I don't want to be next year's meal.
Wait. You must try those. This pumpkin pie.
What? What did you say?
Pumpkin pie.
Perfect pumpkin poo pie?
Pumpkin poo pie?
No! Who made the perfect pumpkin poo pies? Wait a minute. I think I know. Hold on. Yes, it was you! You made the perfect pumpkin poo pies! No, I didn't. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. You made the perfect pumpkin poo pies!
Here it is.
Did you?
Here it is.
Yes, I did.
Here you
And
are.
look! She even ate some.